What if I told you there's a way to make a woman sexually attracted to you, almost like flipping a switch? Sounds too good to be true, and yet it is. But here's the thing. Sexual attraction isn't random. It's not about luck, looks, or money. It's about understanding the sexual attraction triggers that make a woman's heart race and her desire ignite. Most men don't know this. They stumble through dating, relying on tired pickup lines or hoping their charm will be enough. But that's nonsense. Women are like a game, and you can play the game and win only if you understand the rules. This isn't just about capturing her attention. It's about making her crave you, creating a connection so powerful, so intoxicating, that she can't imagine being with any other guy. But here's the catch. What I'm about to share with you is controversial. It's totally politically incorrect and might even piss some people off. It's definitely not something you'll hear from mainstream dating coaches. In fact, some might even call this knowledge manipulative. But the truth is that it works. And if you want to learn the deep, dark secrets of Shogun Method and enslavement-type attraction tactics, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the basics. Sexual attraction is an emotion. It's not about logic or reason. It's about how you make her feel. And if you can trigger the right emotions, you can make her feel attracted to you, no matter what you look like or how much money you have. This is the foundation of Shogun Method. It's not about memorizing pickup lines or learning fancy tricks. It's about understanding the triggers in the female psyche that incite a woman's sexual desires for a man. And once you know how to pull those triggers, you're in control. One of the key principles I teach in Shogun Method is the Rake Axiom. Here's what it says. Erotic tension does not come from comfort and certainty. It comes from anxiety, punctuated by occasions of fear. I'm going to repeat it because it's important. Erotic tension does not come from comfort and certainty. It comes from anxiety punctuated by occasions of fear. Let that sink in for a moment. Most men think that making a woman feel safe and comfortable is the key to attraction. But the truth is, too much comfort kills desire. What you need is a balance of comfort and anxiety. You need to make her feel safe, but not too safe. You need to keep her guessing, keep her on her toes. That's what creates the spark. Remember, sexual desire comes from anxiety punctuated by occasions of fear. Now that you understand the Rake Axiom, let's talk about how to apply it. The first strategy is what shoguns call the talk. This is all about mastering the art of seductive conversation and triggering her erotic emotions. But I'm not talking about cheesy pickup lines or dirty talk here. I'm talking about the more effective way of escalating a woman verbally, Shogun Method style. Here's how it works. You start by asking her a series of questions. The questions start off safe and innocent, but gradually escalate to more intimate and provocative topics. The key is to make it feel like a game. You take turns asking each other questions, and if a question gets too personal, you can say pass and move on. There are 3 levels of questions: safe, spicy, and edgy. Here are some examples of safe questions. What's your favorite childhood memory? What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done? If she's comfortable with these, then level up to spicy questions. What's the most romantic thing you've ever done for someone? Have you ever had a crush on someone you shouldn't have? Finally, escalate to edgy questions. What's your dirtiest sexual fantasy? What's the most unusual place you've ever had sex? The beauty of this strategy is that it's subtle. You're not forcing her to talk about sex. You're just guiding the conversation in that direction. And as she answers these questions, her mind starts to wander. She begins to imagine scenarios that involve you. And before she knows it, she's feeling turned on, and she can't help it. But here's the real magic. This isn't just about getting her to talk about sex. It's about creating deep, simmering sexual tension, penetrating her in her core. It's about making her feel a mix of comfort and anxiety. If you're a seasoned shogun, you'll understand how this is part of the fractionation cycle. We'll talk about fractionation later, but if you're curious, sign up at fractionation.org for a taster of the Shogun Method Masterclass, where you'll learn the technique in detail. Okay, so far, we've covered the Rake Axiom and the first sexual attraction trigger, the talk. The second sexual attraction trigger is the touch. Now we're talking about all-out physical escalation. But I'm not talking about grabbing her or being pushy, not at all. I'm talking about a gradual, step-by-step process that builds comfort and connection. In Shogun Method, we call this the Touch Progression Sequence, TPS. Here's how it works in 4 steps. First, start with safe touches. Begin with something simple, like a handshake or a high five. This establishes physical contact in a non-threatening way. Second, move to casual touches. For example, touch her shoulder or arm during conversation. This is still safe, and it shows that you're comfortable with physical contact and helps build rapport. Then, escalate to intimate touches. As the connection deepens, you can move to more intimate touches, like touching her back or neck. This creates a sense of closeness and builds sexual tension. Finally, end with a kiss, but this isn't something you rush into. It's the natural culmination of the touch progression sequence. The key to this strategy is to pay attention to her reactions. If she seems uncomfortable, back off and return to a previous step. The goal is to build comfort and connection, not to force anything. And if you've done the talk properly, then this process should be seamless. As you do all this, remember the Rake Axiom. Erotic tension does not come from comfort and certainty. It stems from anxiety punctuated by occasions of fear. Sexual attraction triggers are stronger from negative rather than positive emotions. This is the dark side of seduction that pickup artists and relationship gurus avoid talking about. But here's the truth. It's not about being a nice guy who makes her feel safe and comfortable. It's about creating a balance of comfort and anxiety. It's about keeping her guessing, keeping her on her toes. And that's what you're doing here. If you feel like she's taking you for granted, you can create a little anxiety by saying something like, "We need to talk about us." Instantly, she'll wonder what's wrong. She'll feel a spike of anxiety, and that will reignite the spark in your relationship. But here's the key. You don't want to create too much anxiety. You want a healthy balance. You want her to feel safe, but not too safe. You want her to know that she can lose you if she takes you for granted. Again, this is all about how to fractionate a woman. With fractionation, you know how to create emotional addiction in a woman. It's how you make her feel a roller coaster of emotions, highs and lows, comfort and anxiety, until she's utterly hooked on you. But here's the thing. Fractionation isn't for everyone. It's a powerful tool, and it requires skill, precision, and a strong mind to wield it effectively. Weak men will surely falter spectacularly. They'll misuse it, overplay their hand, and end up worse off than they started. But for the strong-willed, the disciplined, and the truly masculine, fractionation is a game changer. If you're ready to step up, I invite you to join the Shogun Method online masterclass at fractionation.org. This isn't some watered-down, feel-good seminar. This is a deep dive into the psychology of attraction, taught by the best in the game. You'll learn fractionation in detail, how to use it, when to use it, and how to make it work for you in real-world situations. But remember, not everyone qualifies. This masterclass is for men who are ready to take action, men who are willing to put in the work to transform their lives. If you're not prepared to step into your power, don't bother applying. This is for the elite, the men who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. The choice is yours. You can keep stumbling through the dating world, hoping for luck to strike. Or you can take control, learn the secrets of fractionation, and become the man women can't resist. If you're ready to claim your place among the strong, go to fractionation.org and join the Shogun Method Brotherhood. Keep this in mind. Shogun Method isn't for the weak. If you're not ready to embrace your masculine power, don't waste your time. This is for men who are ready to win. Sexual attraction isn't a mystery, but a science. And once you understand the psychological triggers that make a woman feel desire, you're in control. Shogun Method gives you the tools to create that desire, to make her crave you, to make her addicted to you. So, are you ready to step up? Are you ready to learn the secrets of Shogun Method? If you are, join the Shogun Method online masterclass at fractionation.org and get ready for victory. Join the Shogun Method revolution at fractionation.org.